everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I actually lured Charlie up onto the bed, but he heard me talking and off he went. I have a special surprise today. This arrived in the mail yesterday, and my first thought was, that's weird. I wasn't expecting any diamond paintings. Maybe I ordered one in my sleep, but then I looked closely at the package and the return address is from a member of the Facebook group. So I honestly have no idea what this is or what she sent me. It's definitely a diamond painting shaped box, but who knows what's inside there. I use my boxes to ship other things. It got a little writing on here, but I don't know what this is. It has some beautiful colors. Look at these colors. Roses and lavenders. A lot of pinks and purples, whatever it is. I was right. It's a diamond painting. Very cool. A little tiny balloon packing. Another one. Oh, there's a little package in here. Oh, it's a lovely note from my friend Tina. A little sticker. It says, Nancy, you have been so, lots of O's, generous with your graphics that I wanted to get you a custom of one to put your sparklers on. By the way, I got the same diamond painting printed at Dispaint so we can compare them both when eventually finished. Smiley face. So grateful to have run across your YouTube channel and Facebook group. Tina. P.S. Oh, LMK. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Oh, wonderful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can see from the picture that it is one of my graphics that Tina and I worked on. Tina was really wonderful. She has very specific ideas about what she wants to see. So she would send me like a drawing on a piece of paper. Could you make it look like this? And of course I can. So I would design it, and then she was, you know, some people are like, oh, that's perfect, thank you. And that's all the feedback you get, and then they never use your graphic. Tina was like, I want the heart a different shape. This is on a tube. I want the letters to look a little different. Can we use a diamond to dot the I? I mean, she was really specific. And when somebody knows what they want, yes, it takes longer to get there, but they make it so easy. And you know, and this is a great example. She knew what she wants. So there's a thumbnail here. It's my graphic that says, never let anyone dull your sparkle. It's one of the graphics I did. And I will put the picture up so you can see the full version of it. Wow, she got me a Huacon. It has 30 colors. Let me peel it up. Now, Tina also sells these sparklers. I'm hoping that's what's in here. She said she was going to send me some, but I didn't know she was going to send me a whole diamond painting. I've got some nice tweezers. Ah, here they are. Beautiful rhinestones. And when we designed this, I originally had the word sparkle in pink. I think there's still that version floating around. And she said, can you make the word sparkle in white so I can use my sparklers on it? And I said, absolutely, I could do that. Very simple. So, what I didn't know is that she started her business selling these sparklers. And I have a couple diamond paintings that I have substituted rhinestones for white up like in stars. I'll just add one. But for this one, the whole word sparkle is going to be in rhinestones. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Just showing you so you can see the symbols are very clear. It's a full drill round. Very clear symbols. She got it in a size that's big enough. I don't even know what this is. Is this a 40 by 40? Let me see if it's written on this side. Yes, it is. It's a 45 by 45. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. So this is a really nice size. The background has all different colors. We designed this to be a diamond painting. So, Tina, thank you so much. This is so generous of you. I think this just jumped up to the top of my list of ones to do. And I can't wait to see how these beautiful rhinestones, these sparklers look on there. This is going to be a lot of fun. Oh, the colors are fantastic too. I'm so happy. What a nice surprise. You know, I have to say, I started doing this thinking, wow, wouldn't it be nice if someday I had enough subscribers that people wanted me to unbox their stuff? And, you know, after buying probably 200 diamond paintings, I've had 4 companies ask me to do an unboxing video. And that's wonderful, but it's not why you do this. You don't do this so people will send you free stuff, because they generally don't. I have a couple friends that I've promoted who have given me things to try on camera, but I promote them because I love their stuff, or they have the best selection and the best pricing. Now this is something different, these sparklers. I wasn't sure about it when she told me about it, but what a great idea. All we did was take a diamond painting. We changed the color of one word to white so that we can use these lovely sparklers on it instead of the white. It's just what a great idea, and so easy and simple. And Tina, you did not have to do this, and I really appreciate it. It's so sweet. Wow, these tweezers are awesome. And I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Hi, BB. You came over here to see me. And the colors that Huacon did are just beautiful. It's literally all shades of pinks and rose and purples. Huh, I guess I picked those colors by putting them in the image, didn't I? But, wow. What a great surprise. And she didn't tell me that she was doing this, so I'm really shocked. What a lovely gift. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being so supportive and for following me and subscribing to my channel. I'm still having so much fun with this. And I'll get the link from Tina on her sparklers, and we'll see how this goes. I'll be very interested to see how Huacon stands up to disc paint, because I like disc paint too. This is going to be a lot of fun. So thank you again, Tina. Shout out to Tina. She's been a wonderful friend. And if you want a graphic made, you can come into the Facebook group. I'm still working on a couple. I just ask people, is there something you'd like to see? And people give me suggestions. And there's a couple I have to admit I haven't done because there's swear words in them. And I swear when I'm really, really mad, but I'm torn between wanting to do what they asked for and not really wanting to post that in the group. Maybe I'll send it privately. But, yeah, so you have a great day. Thanks for joining me to open my special surprise. I really was shocked and very, very happy. And I can't wait to get started on it. Take care, everybody. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.